Yo, what's up, family? God, what a beautiful day. Look at that. Beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful day. They spraying that stuff up there. There go two of them. They talking about drone, but they don't ever talk about spraying that crap up there in the sky. And there go the sun over there. Alright. So it's winter, 70-something degrees today. December 17th. Anyway, I want to touch bases. How y'all like my Bass Pro Shop bag? Get yourself one. Comes in handy. This is my little Bass Pro Shop bag. I keep all my camera gear in here. And let me just pop this out. I don't know if any of you all know what this is. Let me step back some. Do any of y'all know what this is? All right. Yeah, my poles in the back there. My boots, my fishing tackle box. I got some tackle boxes inside the truck. All right, I got another bag. I'm gonna pull it out. All right. Anybody recognize that bag? Know what these bags are? Huh? Anybody know what these bags are? Uh-oh, I almost gave it away. I did give it away right there. If anybody paying attention, there's a clue there. All right, so we're gonna prop up the camera and we'll be back, okay? So, what's up, family? We're back with another episode. We're back with another episode of Alien Knowledge Monster Bream. Monster Breams. Okay. But hey, not about breams today. Although there's some poles in the background. Okay, I don't know if they're in the back. I caught them earlier. But look. I don't know if you know what this is. Can you see? All right. Can you see? So I'm gonna show you what they are. I'm gonna show you what they are. They are drones. Drones. They are drones. All right. Drones. Drones. I got something to say. We got some drones right here. All right. Drones. Battery not in this one. All right. Everybody know what this one is right here? That's a Pro. That's a Pro. That's a Pro. That's a Pro. Drones though. There it is right there. The drone fit right in your hand. Look at that drone. Fit right in your hand. In your hand. This is the bag. I just took both of those out of this bag right here. You saw that, right? Now, these two bags in here. One drone. Fit right in your hand. All right. Some Maverick. What is it? That's 2S. And we got this drone. Let me tell you something. I live near the airport. Let me show you. I live near the airport. That's why you hear planes in the background of my video. All right? Because I live near the airport. So, where's the next plane at? When the next plane come up, I'm going to show you. As soon as it come flying in for a landing. And then I got something to say about drones. I'm just waiting for, I hear it coming. It's coming. And they're coming in for a landing, so they're not even taking off. Imagine if they were taking off. Wow. And, man, they're all over the sky today. Look up in the sky. Can y'all see up in the sky? Look at that. What is that? Why are they spraying this stuff? Huh? Look at that. All over the place. It's crisscrossing all over the sky. They're crisscrossing all over the sky now. every day, just about every single day. But all of a sudden, I was not trying to turn you guys off. Sorry. But hey, you see that? Look up in the sky. And then that long one right there that's dissipating, that was one of the planes spraying. Look how it just dissipating. What is that spray? Can y'all see that? Huh? Look at that. Look at that. That's where that come from. That's how it does. It's getting caught up in the wind. And so it's get that streak in it. But there's a plane right there. There's one just went through. Just went through. It's going that way. So if it's thick over here, that means the plane going that way. See? That plane just came from all the way over there. Probably 35,000, 40,000 feet. Because it's flying above commercial airlines. I know that. Sometimes you can see one circling. You tell me we ain't got a plane coming in yet? That's weird. I don't even see one coming across over there. See, there go one right there. Can y'all see that plane? I don't know if you can see it. But it's right there. It's coming around. It's gonna come around and circle around and set itself up to come back and land going that way. The airport is that way. And the airport just like right there, over there. So I was hoping a flight was gonna be coming in. Here come one right now. I hear it. Now I'm gonna show you this plane, then we're gonna move to the drones. And I'm sorry to take your time up, but thank you so much for your time and your support. Did you see that plane right there? See it? It's right there now. There it is, right there. That's that plane right there. Look how low it is. Okay, so all right, so now sometimes like when those 747s come in, they track almost over my house. All right, I'm just putting my camera down. Oh, by the way, there go the John boat. It's got the cover on it. All right, been cold a few days. There we go. Now, whatever is going on upstates, whatever the drone sightings are going on upstates, these drones right here, America, and I'm kind of like teed off because I spent some money for this stuff. This stuff not cheap, but I know that Congress, I don't know who it is. I don't know if it's the Democrats. I don't know if it's the Republicans, but I know they've been trying to figure out a way to ban drones. And they want to ban DJI drones specifically and some other drone brand. But let me tell you something about these Chinese drones. Since they want to ban DJI, we're going to talk about DJI. These drones here, DJI drones, DJI drones. Let me tell you something about these drones. The government got so much restrictions on DJI drones. It's unreal. I live at the airport. I don't want y'all to see my information. I got my my aircraft. My aircraft has an aircraft number on it. Right? It has an aircraft number. You see this aircraft number? It's on my aircraft. Right? Don't let them fool you about DJI. They just need to cut out that crap with them just because they're a Chinese company. They just need to cut it out. They're not making this stuff over here in America on this quality. They just not. They got so much regulations on this stuff. If I fire this camera up, this drone up, I can't fly it. I'm in a restricted area. It's restricted. If anything, you know, when you take the truss, let me calm down. when you register your drone, you gotta register your drone, y'all. You gotta register these drones. So DJI drones are registered. And they said, oh, they got technology in them. Oh, they can steal sensitive stuff. They can do this and they can do that. This drone won't even. This DJI drone right here. This drone, this Air 2S, this Mini Pro. Neither one of them will take off where I'm standing at. Why? Because I'm in restricted airspace. You see how low those airplanes were? I'm in restricted airspace. This is actually the landing approach. This is actually the takeoff. When they leave and they coming back this way. I have to leave and drive several miles. Because where I'm at, hey, they got a large restriction zone. Okay? And then where I'm at, it goes all the way down to the ground right now. So I can turn it on, so I can do some updating, internet stuff. It's not gonna fly. It won't allow me to fly. It is a zero flight for drones where I'm at. I can't even go and get an authorization code from Federal Aviation to fly these drones. You gotta go get a Federal Aviation approval. They give you a code. You put that code in here, right? You put it in here. These things communicate with the GPS satellites right up there. They right up there. They communicate. Sometimes it's 14, 17, 18, 21 satellites it's communicating with, either one of them, right? And sometimes DJI won't even allow you to take off after you get the authorization code, okay? You gotta argue with them. If I am flying in an authorized flight area, which for me is about 6 miles away, I gotta go 6 miles away from where I'm at in order to get my plane up in there, get my drone up in the air. But you gotta have an authorization code. You gotta submit a flight plan as if you flying a real aircraft. So a manned aircraft. So if you're flying a manned aircraft in restricted airspace, because they have different levels of restricted airspace, you gotta provide an FAA with a flight plan. Show them how long you're gonna be flying, how high you're gonna be flying. Exactly that information. So, but the federal government, those Congress people up there, they arguing, oh, we're gonna ban drone. We want to ban DJI drone. We want to, I don't know what the other one is. What is is it out? I don't know. I don't know what it is. But anyway, they want to ban these drones. But then I'm hearing all this rhetoric with these people up north talking about, oh, these drones coming in and they need to have regulation and all of this and all of that. We want to ban drones. That's what y'all trying to do. With whatever's going on with with this other stuff that's big as a car, they say, I don't know. But whatever's going on with this other crap that they flying, everybody's in on the game. It's always a scam. Every time you turn around, it's a scam going on. They always trying to sucker Americans out of their freedom. These drones are on a lot of regulation. You cannot fly this drone anywhere. Even right now, I can't. They won't let me take off. I can turn my drone on. As soon as it connect with the satellites up there, it's gonna tell me, hey, this is restricted area. This is a no-flight area. You think I'm lying? Let me show you with this Air 2. I'm gonna turn my Air 2 on. Oh, ho. Let me move this before I turn it on. All right. I just turned it on. I'm gonna turn on my controller. And I want you to listen. Once it boot up, it's gonna communicate with the satellites. It's gonna tell me I'm in a restricted area. Don't believe the hype. And then that long one right there that's dissipating, that was one of the planes spraying. Look how it just dissipating. What is that spray? You y'all see that? Huh? Look at that. Look, that's where it comes from. That's how it does. It's getting caught up in the wind, and so it's get that streak in it. But there's a plane right there. There's one just went through. Just went through.